Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with the new lesson, that is indices. This is pronounced as indices. Before starting the topic indices, let's recall something. We will recall what is the meaning of multiplication. What is the meaning of multiplication, which we have already studied in 3rd standard. Now, what is multiplication? When we have to add the same number again and again. Here one example is given to you. Each of 7 children was given 4 books. So total notebooks are. Okay, there are 7 children and to each child 4 books are being given. We have to find the total number of books that are distributed. So one method is we have to add the books. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times? 7 times. But this addition of 4 7 times is a very tedious and long process. So for that we have a shortcut. What is that shortcut? That when same number is added repeatedly, same number is added again and again, at that time we can perform multiplication. Here 4 plus 4 plus 4 7 times means 4 into 7, which is 28. So when same number is added again and again, we write it in the form of multiplication. Now let's see, if multiplication is done by itself many times, then how we will express it. Okay, suppose here one example is there. 2 into 2 into 2. Here it is 2 is multiplied with itself 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 is multiplied by itself 8 times. So in short, this is written as 2 to the power 8. So how you have to write it? Write here 2 and above 2 on the right side we will write the number. That many times we have to multiply 2. That number we will write in the power. So here this is written as 2 raised to the power 8. This is called the index form of multiplication. This form is called as index form of multiplication. Now remember one thing, that for addition we write multiplication. And this helps us in calculation also. This multiplication, it helps us in easy calculation also. But here, when one number is multiplied by itself again and again many times, then this is the shortcut method to just express that number. Okay, by expressing like this, the calculation will not become easy. Only the writing will become easier. Understood? यहाँ पे जब एक ही नंबर खुद से हम बार बार ऐड करते हैं तो उसके जगह पे हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, और ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन से ये इतना लंबा लिखना भी नहीं पड़ता है और कैलकुलेशन भी फास्ट होता है. 4 7 28. पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन जब एक ही नंबर का बार बार होता है तो उसको इजीली लिखने के लिए ये तरीका है. इससे कैलकुलेशन पे कोई असर नहीं होता है. कैलकुलेशन के लिए आपको ये पूरा करना ही पड़ेगा. 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16 into 2 32 and so on. कैलकुलेशन इजी नहीं होता है. इससे सिर्फ जो इतना लंबा हमें लिखना पड़ता है वो बच जाता है. So this is just the short way of expressing this multiplication, and this form is called as index form of multiplication. In this form, 2 is called as the base and 8 is the index or exponent. 2 को क्या कहते हैं? बेस, और 8 को कहते हैं इंडेक्स या फिर एक्सपोनेंट. ओके, सो this is called the index form. What is the meaning of 2 to the power 8? Multiplication of 2 8 times. Okay, another example they have taken 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. तो जो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई किया है उसको नीचे लिखना है बेस में, एंड जितने बार मल्टीप्लाई किया है उसको पावर में लिखना है. ओके, इंडेक्स में. So here 5 to the power 4 is the index form. In the number 5 raised to the power 4, 5 is the base and 4 is the index. 5 is called as base, 4 is called as index. अब इसको रीड कैसे करना है, तो इसको 2-3 तरीके से हम रीड कर सकते हैं. दिस कैन बी रेड in 2 or 3 ways. Whichever we find easy, we can use that way. First one is 5 raised to the power 4. 5 raised to the power 4, or 5 raised to 4, or fourth power of 5. Fourth power of 5. So generally we will use this or this only. Raised to the power 4 or raised to 4, where the index is a natural number. Index will be a natural number. Okay. Now, how to solve this? 5 raised to the power 4 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. और ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के लिए कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है, तो ये पूरा मल्टीप्लिकेशन 25 into 25. Answer is 625. So 625 is called the value of 5 raised to the power 4. 625 is the value of 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, one more example. Negative 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3. So this means जो भी पावर के नीचे है उसको 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So negative 2 upon 3 into negative 2 upon 3 into negative 2 upon 3, which means now this is multiplication of rational numbers. So what is the rule of multiplication of rational numbers? Numerator into numerator, denominators into denominators. So 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Negative into negative, positive, but positive into negative again negative, and 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So we can say that negative 8 upon 27 is the value of negative 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3. Now one important thing, 7 raised to the power 1 is 7 only, क्योंकि पावर 1 मीन्स 7 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है. अगर पावर 2 है तो हम 7 into 7 कर सकते हैं, पर पावर 1 है मतलब आंसर इज 7 ओनली. 10 raised to the power 1 is 10. Means what? First power of any number is that number itself. Okay. If the power or index of a number is 1, the convention is not to write it. तो पावर 1 है तो उसकी वैल्यू वो नंबर ही होता है. तो जनरली हम पावर में 1 नहीं लिखते हैं, डायरेक्टली वो नंबर ही लिखते हैं. अंडरस्टूड द इंडेक्स फॉर्म ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन? व्हेन सेम नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इटसेल्फ मेनी टाइम्स. फॉर राइटिंग इट इन शॉर्टकट वे वी यूज द इंडेक्स फॉर्म. इन इंडेक्स फॉर्म जिस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई किया है उसको नीचे लिखना है और जितने बार मल्टीप्लाई किया है उसको उसके ऊपर लिखना है. लाइक दिस. दिस नंबर इज कॉल्ड एज बेस and this number is called as index. And how to read this? 2 raised to the power 8 or 2 to the power 8. And how to find the value of this index form? By doing the actual multiplication. Value कैसे निकालते हैं? Actual multiplication करके. और एक और चीज़ हमने क्या सीखी? First power of any number is that number itself. Means if the index or the power is 1, then the value is that number itself. Now let's see some more examples. Practice set 26. Complete the table below. So first column is index form. Second column is base, index, multiplication form and value. Means after doing the multiplication, whatever is the product, that we have to write at the end. So 3 raised to the power 4. Here base is 3, index is 4. Multiplication form is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And the answer of this multiplication is 81. Now the second one. 16 raised to the power 3. So here base is 16 and index is 3. Index को power भी बोलते हैं. Now 16 to the power 3 means 16 into 16 into 16. And the value of this multiplication is 4096. Now, here index form is not given. But we know the base and index. तो base negative 8 है और index है 2. So negative 8 to the power 2. Multiplication form is negative 8 into negative 8. 8 8s are 64. Negative into negative is positive. Now, multiplication form is there. So, what is the index form? 3 upon 7 raised to the power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, raised to the power 4. Means here, base is 3 upon 7 and power is 4. ये पूरा बेस है क्योंकि ये पूरे को 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया है और 4 बार किया है इसलिए 4 is the index. Now the last one. Here negative 13 is the base, 4 is the index. That means multiplication form is negative 13 into negative 13 into negative 13. Negative into negative positive, negative into negative positive. So 4 positive, 4 negative sign means answer is positive. And 13 into 13 into 13 into 13. So the answer is 28,561. So like this you have to solve the table. Now the second question is find the value. Value find करना मतलब actual multiplication करके product find करना. So let's start with the examples. This table you have to draw in your notebook of practice set 26. Now second question, find the value. 2 raised to the power 10 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 10 times multiplication. And 10 times multiplication of 2 is 1024. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64. Like this you have to solve. Multiply with 2, 2, 2. So you will get 1024. Second example is 5 raised to the power 3. Understood how to write this? बेस हमारी लाइन को टच होगा और उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा इंडेक्स लिखना पड़ता है. सो 5 raised to the power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. And by doing the multiplication, we get the value 125. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now the third one. Negative 7 raised to the power 4. Okay, don't write this like this. Negative 7, 4. Okay, it should be properly above the base. उसके बाजू में नहीं लिखना है, उसके ऊपर लिखना है. डिफरेंस ध्यान में आना चाहिए. ये नीचे रहना चाहिए, ये उसके ऊपर. Now 4 times multiplication. Negative 7 into negative 7 into negative 7 into negative 7. Now 4 times negative sign means answer will be positive. Negative into negative positive, negative into negative positive. And 7 multiplied by 7 4 times gives us the answer 2401. So this multiplication you have to actually do in your notebook. Don't just copy the answers. Fourth one. Negative 6 to the power 3. So negative 6 into negative 6 into negative 6. Negative into negative positive and positive into negative is negative. सो कैसे याद रखेंगे, जब ऑड टाइम्स निगेटिव साइन है तो आंसर निगेटिव आता है, और जब इवन टाइम्स निगेटिव साइन आती है तो आंसर पॉजिटिव आता है. नाउ 6 6 36 into 6 216. So the value is 216. Fifth one, 9 raised to the power 3. So 9 into 9 into 9. Answer is 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9 is 729. Now the sixth one, 8 raised to the power 1. Power 1, index 1 means the number itself. Whatever is the base, that is the answer itself. Now the seventh one, 4 upon 5 raised to the power 3 means 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. Numerator into numerators, denominators into denominators. So 4 into 4 into 4 upon 5 into 5 into 5. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125. So answer is 64 upon 125. Now the eighth one, negative 1 upon 2 raised to the power 4 means negative 1 upon 2 into negative 1 upon 2 into negative 1 upon 2 into negative 1 upon 2. 4 times negative sign means answer will be positive. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. So 1 upon 16 is the value. Understood? So in this way you have to solve practice set 26. Now one more thing we are going to learn today is square and cube. What is the meaning of square and cube in the language of indices? Whenever the index is 2, then it is called as square. This answer is called as square. And whenever index is 3, then we use the word cube. Okay, so instead of 3 raised to 2, एक मेथड क्या है इसको पढ़ने की, 3 raised to 2, पर अगर पावर में इंडेक्स में 2 है तो उसके लिए एक और स्पेशल वर्ड है विच इज स्क्वायर. इसको हम ऐसे भी पढ़ सकते हैं, द स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 इज 9. तो पावर 2 इंडेक्स 2 के लिए ये स्पेशल वर्ड है square. And if index is 3, so we can read it as 5 raised to 3, or another special word for the power 3 is cube. So cube of 5 or 5 cube or 3 square. तो square and cube ये special words है second power and third power respectively. Square is the word for second power and cube is the word for third power. Understood? The second power of any number is the square of that number. The third power of any number is the cube of that number. So for example here, negative 6 raised to the power 3. So this we can say that negative 6 cubed or 9 cubed, cubed, or this we can read it as 4 upon 5 cubed, or this we can read it as negative 8 squared. So square and cube are the special words for second power and third power respectively. Only for second and third power there are special words. From fourth power you will read in our normal way. What is the normal way? 2 raised to the power 4 or 2 raised to 4. And this we can read it as 2 cube or cube of 2. Understood the meaning of square and cube? So किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर निकालना है मतलब क्या करना है, उस नंबर को खुद से 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और किसी भी नंबर का क्यूब अगर निकालना है तो उस नंबर को खुद से 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. स्क्वायर मीन्स सेकेंड पावर, मीन्स 2 times multiplication, and cube means third power, means 3 times multiplication. So from the next lecture we will start with the new topic. Complete this practice set 26 in your notebook, question 1 and question 2. Thank you.